How to remove followers on Poshmark. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove or delete followers on Poshmark. For this, open up any web browser and head over to poshmark.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to click on the feed option. Once you do, you're going to find the section of people you follow. Now you simply want to click on any of the follower that you want to remove. As you can see, you are currently following that person as well. So if you want to remove it, click on the following option and click on the unfollow option. With this, you will successfully unfollow this person. Now, if you want to remove this account as your follower, you want to click on the three dots, then click on the block user option. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Click on yes. Once you do that, this user will be removed from your followers list and they will not be able to follow you in the future as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.